Today we're going to read the story, The Ant and the Grasshopper. Before we start reading, there are a few words you need to learn. Ant. An ant is an insect. Grasshopper. A grasshopper is also an insect. Prepare. Prepare just means to get ready for something. Here the boy is preparing for a test. He's getting ready by studying. Here the girl is preparing for school. She's putting her folder away, everything she needs for school in her backpack. These people are preparing for a party. They're putting banners on the wall, getting food ready, putting balloons up. Prepare. Winter. Winter's one of the seasons. You have winter, then comes spring, after that summer, and then fall. Shelter. A shelter is anywhere you can go to stay out of the cold, out of the rain, to stay dry, and just to keep yourself safe. A home is a shelter also. Okay, now we're going to go back to the story. Let's see if you can hear or remember some of the words that we learned. The Ant and the Grasshopper. It was summer, hot and sunny, and instead of working and preparing for winter, Grasshopper was dancing, singing, and playing in the field. Grasshopper saw a hard-working ant passing by him, carrying corn for the hard winter that was to come one day. Grasshopper invited Ant to join him and share his fun. "Unfortunately, I don't have time for this," Ant answered. "I must work hard so that winter won't find me without shelter and food." "Stop worrying so much. There is still plenty of time to prepare for winter. Let's sing and dance together. Let's laugh and enjoy life." But Ant was very wise and wouldn't pay attention to Grasshopper's words. Ant continued to work hard and store food for the long winter that was to come. The winter came sooner than expected, and the Grasshopper found himself without home and without food. "I should have followed Ant's example in the summer," the Grasshopper thought sadly. "I would have been so happy now." Well, here are some questions from the story. Number 1. How was the ant preparing for winter? How was the grasshopper different than the ant? What lesson did the grasshopper learn? Using context clues and text evidence, what does expected mean? Find and highlight the following vocabulary: preparing, expected, example. On this page, you need to find what is the same about a grasshopper and an ant, that goes in the middle. What's different about an ant, that goes on the ant side. And what is different about a grasshopper, and that goes on this side. And just so you know, these two circles are called Venn diagrams. That's what we use to compare one thing to another. What is the same about the two things and what is different about the two things.